Good morning, friends, and welcome to Edinburgh, Scotland. We are so excited to be back here. We were here back in 2021, and obviously the world was quite different then. We're so excited to be back because we're going to be in Scotland for an extended period of time this time, rather than last time being here for only about 5 days. So really only got a little quick taste last time, and we're excited to really see the country this time. We are spending our first couple days in Edinburgh. We were here last time, and if you want to see that video, please definitely click the link provided because we will do more of the touristy stuff then. As in today, we are going to really just enjoy the city, go shopping, eat some great food, and not do as much of the touristy stuff since we already did that. Anyway, we are starving, and I think I need a full Scottish breakfast right now, so we're gonna go head to breakfast. We just got finished with breakfast and it was absolutely delicious. A Scottish breakfast was exactly what I needed. We are now heading to a place called Dean Village. Dean Village is this really beautiful, picturesque part of Edinburgh, and I can't wait to show you guys. This is actually our first time being able to go because it was a little out of our way the first time we were in Scotland, so I'm very excited to knock it off my list this time. Alright guys, welcome to Dean's Village behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. Such a beautiful morning to come and visit this location, like, can't beat it. Dean Village is a very, very beautiful part of Edinburgh, and it was actually once a milling community founded back in the 12th century, and it had potentially over 11 working mills at one point. Nowadays, you can still find remnants of the mills, and it's really just such a beautiful area, very picturesque. And it's a very tranquil part of Edinburgh, so it's a little bit more quiet, and the village lies along the Water of Leith, which is really wonderful to walk along. So we made it to our next destination after walking along Dean's Village and along the creek. We made our way over to Circus Lane. Circus Lane is a really well-known picturesque road in the Stockbridge area, so I'm very excited to see it because last time we were here, we were literally staying right near us, like right near this, and we didn't even realize it was right here, so let's go look. We just popped back to the hotel, and I actually ended up putting a sweater on because the jacket was just a little too hot, so I'm hoping that just the sweater will be okay. And I ended up changing shoes as well because my other shoes were bothering me a bit. But we are all dressed again, went to the bathroom, dropped off the goodies, so we are ready to pop back out. We are heading to get a little bit of a caffeine fix because we are a little jet lagged. It's the first day of Blue, so but we did do some damage. We shopped around a little bit, and we have a really exciting workshop that we're going to tonight before dinner, so gotta get that caffeine in first. Okay, we're heading in here for coffee. It's called the Milkman. It's actually very famous, so let's see how the coffee stands. No, it's really good. Alright, we made it to our workshop, which is right behind me. It's the Islander UK, and if you didn't know, tweed is a very popular thing in Scotland. You can buy tweed pretty much anything. This little shop sells their own purses, makeup bags, and all sorts of things, and they actually let you create a bag yourself. So we are doing a purse making shop, so I'm making a purse and Jamie's making a toiletry bag. And I am so excited to do this. This has been on my list for a while to come back to Scotland and do, and I cannot wait to see what colors to pick from, but I'm kind of scared that I won't be able to pick, so let's go inside and get this workshop started. This small group 1-hour workshop is hosted by Islander. Your instructors will guide you through each step of the process to create your own unique tweed purse. And you can actually pick between a small or medium purse, a backpack, or a wash bag. The most difficult part of this whole experience is honestly picking out your colors. They are all so beautiful. It was very hard for me to pick, but I ended up going with the traditional red tartan look, and my husband ended up making a wash bag. But this experience was absolutely so much fun. The instructors were fantastic, and it starts at 63 pounds per person.
Detail here, the logo is supposed to be faced this way like a shield with the sort of castle turrets facing upwards. If you're spinning it and it ends up being a little bit sideways, it's completely fine. You can run a table and fix that up. Like this. We can go ahead and take our other logo screw.
We just got finished with our workshop, our purse making workshop, and it was so much fun. Jamie made a makeup toiletry bag and I made a purse. Definitely highly suggest doing this if you're in Edinburgh. It's such a fun way to have a cool experience, but also a keepsake that you can keep forever. Every time you use it, you'll think of your trip to Scotland. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in going. And we are off to shop around a little bit before we head to dinner. Alright, sticky toffee pudding, gluten-free, and gluten-free brownies and ice cream. Oh my god, that was so good. I just can't get over butterscotch. We just finished with dinner, and oh my gosh guys, that place was absolutely phenomenal. You have to go there if you're in Edinburgh. I will definitely obviously put it on the screen so you guys can go as well, but now we're just going to walk around the town a little bit as we head back to the hotel. And unfortunately, that is the end to our time in Edinburgh this time around, but it's absolutely one of my favorite cities in the world. I know I will be back, and just back to Scotland in general, but please stay tuned for the next video, because the next video we start road tripping through Scotland, so you're going to see a lot more of the country, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!